Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I just got a new YJ MGC 6x6. So, yeah, this is YJ, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. See if my nails can get it open. I'm sorry that it's a little close up, but that's just how my camera is. But I'm gonna see. Well, I'm gonna get this off. And how does this go? It's just like, I think it opens up like this. Yes, that looks right. And there it is. What does it come with? What is that? Some guy holding a 2x2. I don't know who that is, but I'm gonna see what's in here. Looks like it has instructions on how to solve it, but I guess, is this how to solve? Yeah, that's how to solve a 4x4 and a 5x and a 6x6. I don't need those. I already know how to solve a 6x6. But okay, it has a screw. It comes with a set of magnets. That's good. This one's magnetic, and it comes with some springs, just in case you need replacement parts. That's great. Okay. And now I'm going to open up the cube. So I got, I hate packing like this. Why does everything have to be plastic? Why can't it just be like this box? Well, I guess they didn't want it to, well, they wanted to make sure that it's safe and it's not going to get broken on the way here. But, man, these things are so hard to open. Aha! It's taped. Okay. Come on out of there. Get out. I act like I don't even know how to unbox things. Oh, yeah. Oh, it had an opening thing. Okay. It's very good. And it's pretty good. It's a little stiff, but yeah, not bad. Just gotta get used to it for a while, but yeah, it's not bad. I'm gonna do an algorithm on there. Oh yeah. Wow. Actually, this is actually pretty good. This is the best 6x6 I've had. Let's see. Okay, it has a screw in there. Check the tension, making sure it's good. It needs a little bit of lube, but it's pretty good. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing is great. I love this. Okay, so yeah, I just got a new 6x6. I wonder, does it come with lube? No, it doesn't. Well, I can always lube it when I need to. It comes with like a place for it to sit. That's nice. And it has its own box. It's a MGC 6x6. I do not know what that says, so I cannot read Chinese. It's a YJ 6x6. And yeah, okay. So, oh yeah, toning is definitely pretty good on this. I'm gonna make a pattern on here. There's this pattern. It's planned like a 5x5. There's a checkerboard pattern on the 6x6. I'm gonna undo this pattern. Oh wow, this thing is nice. I love the colors on this. Oh, this thing is nice. Wow. I'm gonna give it my first solve and see how it is. Oh man, this 6x6 tones way better. Okay, so I am really happy with this 6x6, and if you're looking for a good 6x6 speed cube for a competition, I am going to a cubing competition in November this year. And if you are looking for a good 6x6 speed cube, the YJ MGC is probably one of the best ones you can get. I don't know what the best one out there is, but this one is pretty good. And there was one like the Angstrom 6x6 or something like that, but I didn't want to pay like $60 or $50 or whatever for a 6x6, so I just got the one that was, it was $25.99 when I got it. It could change. It's on the cubicle, and that's also where I got this mat, as you can see. And it's only about $25.99 or something like that. And it's a really good turning cube. It's probably one of the best ones out there. If you're looking for a magnetic 6x6 that's not so expensive, this is a very good one. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you heard the news that tomorrow I'm doing a live stream tomorrow afternoon. Again, it's at 1600 hours to 1645 or 4 p.m. to 4:45, whatever time you use. So I'm going to be live streaming on there, so you should go on there probably around 1600 hours is when I'm gonna be on there. Don't go on there too late, because then I don't, if no one shows up till 16:30, then I'll probably be almost done. But anyway, I have the live stream on there, and I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox this YJ MGC 6x6, and this is probably one of my new favorite cubes now. I haven't bought anything from the YJ company yet, so this is my first one. This is my first YJ cube, and it's pretty good. I really like this brand. A friend of mine had a YJ magnetic 7x7, and it works just as good as this, and this is what made me think maybe I should get a YJ brand, because they tend to work pretty good. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.